When planning the construction of a project in a refinery, determining where to set the heavy lift crane is essential. The crane must be able to reach the major vessels in the operating unit, as well as equipment laydown areas and any pre-turnaround construction sites. Assembling the crane boom requires a long, open area that can be blocked off from traffic for a week or two, both before and after turnaround. In this view, I have shown the location of the heaviest vessels in the unit, the fabricated assembly laydown areas, and where the fabrication and demolition stands will be placed. The crane, which once assembled only rotates from one location, must be strategically located to reach all these areas. The crane supplier provides a detailed lift plan and calculates maximum capacities and lifting radius. There were 4 major lifts on this project, the heaviest being the new Regenerator, which weighed about 93 tons. If you browse the photos I've shown on this project, you will get an idea of the weight of these pieces just by seeing the size of the 400-ton crane. This is the Disengager and Regenerator in the structure. All the interconnecting large ductwork is also shown. What you are not seeing is the surrounding structure and the miles and miles of small piping necessary to make an FCC unit. This is the new top portion of the Regenerator, sitting in the construction stand. The stand to the right is where we set the old Regenerator when we lifted it off the structure. The 2 construction stands were built before the turnaround began. Notice the new external plenum duct. We lifted this whole assembly, Regenerator, plenum, cyclones, platforms, and piping all in one lift. 185,000 pounds. Sorry about the way I said plenum. I am 11 Labs AI and sometimes I don't get things right. This is the construction area and stand for the Disengager. There is also a fenced area for component laydown. We had 1 crew working on the Regenerator and another crew building the Disengager. Construction site and laydown area for the Sarnia FCC unit.